Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're having another video. We're making our homemade glazed, the fluffiest good donuts. And as you can see, our ingredients we have sugar, our sugar in a bowl. We have 1 egg, we have oil, we have salt, we have our milk, our yeast, our vanilla extract, and our flour. These are our ingredients for today for making our fluffy donuts. So for starters, I'm using 250 grams of flour. I'm going to put in first a quarter of this, and we put in 2 teaspoons of sugar, then a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then in our milk, the milk we had, we're going to put in a quarter teaspoon of yeast, so that yeast can dissolve in the milk, as you can see. So we let that dissolve in the milk, in warm milk, using warm milk strictly, so that the yeast can dissolve in. So we're going to mix this to our wet ingredients. And then mix this. So our dough is ready. We're going to cover it now and let it rest for like 1 hour so that yeast can activate. So after an hour, our donut dough is ready, and now we're going to make a donut shape out of it. I'm just adding a little bit of flour on top. And then we're going to roll it. So in hot boiling oil, we put in our donuts. We fry our donuts. Carefully. Let them fry. Change them. As you can see, our donuts, some of them are almost ready. Our donuts are ready. You can see already. We're going to get them out. Yeah, those are our homemade, fluffy, the tastiest, yummiest donuts you've ever tasted. Just try the recipes at home. Give me your feedback. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share the videos. Thank you. Until we meet again. Yeah, our homemade donuts.